Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naoyo and today I'll be sharing a delightful recipe for homemade sausage rolls. It has a flaky golden crust and a savory filling. I made this especially for my daughter as a school snack, but trust me, you'll love them as an adult as well. So shall we get started? For the pastry, you'll need soft flour, vegetable shortening or butter, margarine, and a pinch of salt. You're going to mix this up. Lift up the flour with the margarine or shortening until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs, and then you add 3 tablespoons of water and mix everything together gently, bringing it together, putting it all together, soft knead, not hard, very, very soft and gentle. And you're going to wrap and chill this in the fridge for 30 minutes. Guys, would you believe this? I had water dripping out of my fan from last week's rain, so I had to stop this video and continue the next day. So I defrosted the dough on day 2 and cut it up into 4 pieces. And what I'm doing now is kneading it. So you're going to knead it, making sure that you have a flat surface and gently kneading to even out the rough edges. So cutting up the dough into 4 pieces makes it easier for kneading. Cut out rough edges. What you're trying to do is to create a sort of square or rectangle for cutting out larger stripes to place our sausage or any filling. Cut large stripes bigger than the sausage, and then you place the sausage in the center. Use egg wash to brush the edges and fold the pastry over the sausage snugly. So that's gentle lifting and then over the sausage, and use a fork to seal the edges in. Either a fork or your fingers will do. Beautiful work. And you slice that up, or you can make it whole if you want to, but because it's something for my toddler, I make it into bites, easy to bite sizes, and then use egg wash to brush over the tops to give them a beautiful golden color when baked. So this is my personal filling of luncheon meat with a bit of grated Parmesan. So this is for mommy, and the sausage was for my toddler. So you can use any filling that you want. You can use vegetable fillings if you're vegan or vegetarian, or use chicken, minced meat, any filling you want. Line a baking sheet with baking paper. Place rolls on paper well spaced out and bake for 20 to 25 minutes until golden brown. Your child will love these. Light crust, delicious and so tender. But hey, you can serve these mouth-watering sausage rolls as a delightful appetizer, a delicious snack. If you've loved this video as much as I have enjoyed making it, don't forget to subscribe, share it far and wide, and ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you and have a wonderful week ahead.